Hello, Hot Wheelers. Today's a shocker. It's the Tesla Cybertruck. And you might ask, why did I buy this instead of the X-Car Toys, which is supposed to be actually 1/64 scale? Well, I don't even know if this is a production vehicle or not yet. I don't know what changes will actually occur for the truck that goes on sale. Is this truck even on sale yet? I don't know. So I decided to just go with the cheap one. I know this is going to be too small though, just based on the fact, just looking at it in this package. Because I know, looking at photographs of the real truck, it's similar in size to a full size like F-150 or something like that. And this is just too small. But when the car goes into actual production, and if it looks like that X-Car Toys model, I will go ahead and buy that one. But I'm also hoping that X-Car Toys company puts out a different colorway. I feel like this truck, is just asking for cool graphics to be put on it because it's so slab-sided. It's like a rolling billboard. All right, well, let's see. Let's take a look at these photographs. So, yeah, love it or hate it. I'm not sure if I like this truck or don't. It's so basic looking. I mean, it looks like something you could make in a high school wood shop. You could just take a block of wood and just take it to a disc sander and start sanding it down, or using the bandsaw, and you could easily make this. This is something I think I may have made as like a Pinewood Derby car, when I was in Cub Scouts. So it's just so simple but I don't know, it's weird. It also seems like it'd be really dangerous to hit a pedestrian with this. You'd literally probably slice them in half on this corner of the. Anyways. Alright, so I'm not too, I didn't put too much research into this vehicle because I don't know what changes will happen to the real one, but on the Tesla website, they have 1, 2, or 3 motors available. I think the 3-motor one is maxing out at around 70,000 bucks, but it'll do 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds, so that's like hypercar fast, and it'll go 500 miles on its range with the tri-motor, so that's pretty impressive. And here's what I found. This one, someone just photoshopped a bunch of different colors. Now, if like X-Car Toys makes a model like this, or with some sort of funky graphics on it, I think I'd buy it. But anyways, let's take a closer look at this here. What did Hot Wheels pull off for $1 or $2? And actually, it's all just the Zamac there. I think it's probably clear coated though. It feels like it's got a paint on it. Yeah, I think it must be clear coated. They got the little door panel details, door handle details, little casted in the windows as well. So that's actually pretty good. This all looks nice. There's like a molded in rear view mirror, and there are seats in there as well. 2 seats, a middle console. They added some black paint, it looks like, here. So that's pretty good. The front end, they added a little white paint here for the lights, so that looks realistic. There's a little recess here. Might be hard to tell in this camera, but yeah, that's on the real truck, I believe. Okay. So that's pretty good so far. And then the back view, yeah, it's got this ribbing, which I think this must roll away or something. And then we got some red here for the tail light, so that's good. The recess for the license plate seems to match up with the photograph. Even the way this bumper is shaped, it looks like the photograph as well. Same with these fender flares, how they stick out. And it's carrying across the bottom as well. I do see that on the real truck. Yeah, very good. Bottom here. Yeah, I guess you can't really ask for too much more. So I gotta say, I mean, it looks actually very much like the real photograph there. Whether or not the real truck looks like this, which I'm sure it might, but, we'll have to see what really happens when these things go on sale. Alright, well, I'm gonna do a 3D wheel project. It's gonna be a little bit challenging, I think, to maybe design those wheels. Well, I guess it can be done. They're pretty geometric. So give me a second. And so I'm back with the wheels here. I think I got the wheels relatively close. It's just the tires. I was too lazy. I didn't actually match the tread blocks. But if you look at this Tesla wheel/tire combo, at least from the side it looks pretty similar. But I just had your standard kind of military style tire tread on these guys. it's just it wasn't that important to me to make the exact tire that Goodyear made here. You know, so let's check out the scale of this guy. I looked up the overall length of this thing, and it's supposed to be 5,885 millimeters. So let's pull out the calipers here, zero them out, and then overall length here, nice and easy since it's pretty much a rectangle. Divided by 74.65. Yeah, so this is 179 scale. So it's, it's significantly smaller than it should be. Again, to fit the blister pack. So that's just the way it is. Yeah, that doesn't come close to anything else I have from this, from even Hot Wheels. Oh well, it'll have to do for now. I just don't feel like buying that other one, the more expensive model of it right now. Maybe if they come out with a cool, you know, graphic pattern on it. I found these images here of these graphic jobs here. Yeah, if someone makes a cool, if that's X-Car Toys company makes one with a funky graphics like that or something, maybe I would buy one of those models then. So there's really no reason to compare it. Well, I guess we can compare it to a couple of the trucks, knowing that they're not to scale. But here's a Hot Wheels. This is a C10, a Chevy C10 from 1967. And I did my own 3D wheels on this one. Yeah, so the 310 is probably big, if anything, and then the Tesla is small. So that's, but looking at the overall dimensions, again, that's to fit those blister packs and the racetracks. Okay, so I think green lights are generally to scale. So here's a Bronco, and this one is from 1995. So, yeah. So in real life, this Tesla truck is going to be bigger than a Bronco. I've seen photos where people are complaining this thing can't fit in your standard garage. I don't think that's really a complaint. No one complains about extra long cab F-150s not fitting in a garage, right? Or like one of these. This is the Fall Guy truck here from Greenlight. What am I doing? I'm losing it. Okay. So maybe in real life, it's possible this Tesla truck would actually be closer to this this K series here. Who knows? Alright, well, anyways, just a fun little project. And I guess I'll just wait until a 1/64 scale version of this comes along with a paint scheme that I like. Until then, I'll see you out on the trail. Alright, bye.